Welcome to today's series of Learn Biology with Henry, and today's series we'll be looking at heterotrophic nutrition, which is the continuation of the topic nutrition. And in our previous classes, we've considered the definition of nutrition, the types of nutrition, and in particular, we looked at autotrophic mode of nutrition, and under that we discussed photosynthesis and chemosynthesis. To watch that video, kindly check the link attached to the description of this video. Heterotrophic mode of nutrition is a type of nutrition whereby organisms such as all animals, fungi, protozoa, and some bacteria depend directly or indirectly on autotrophs for food, simply because they are unable to manufacture their own food, and because of this they are referred to as heterotrophs, and they are heterotrophic in their mode of nutrition. Heterotrophic mode of nutrition can take the form of holozoic mode of nutrition, number 2 parasitism, number 3 saprophytism, number 4 carnivorous or mutualistic in nature. Heterotrophic mode of nutrition is said to be holozoic when organisms, example animal, they take in organic food and it is digested and assimilated in their body, and most animals belong to this mode of heterotrophic nutrition. Examples include herbivores, and herbivores are animals that feed on plants. Carnivores, they are animals that feed on flesh, and omnivores. Omnivores have the ability to feed on both plants and animals. This mode of nutrition is also said to be parasitic in nature when an organism known as the parasite lives on or in another organism referred to as host, derives nourishment from it, and gives nothing in return to it. Example of animals under this mode of nutrition include viruses, bacteria, and fungi. Some parasites that lives on the body of the host are referred to as ectoparasites. An example include tick, while others live inside the body of the host. The organism they feed on is known as the host. An example of such organism include tapeworm. In plants also, myrtles and the dodas are plants that exist as external parasites. Heterotrophic mode of nutrition can also take the form of saprophytism. In this type of heterotrophic mode of nutrition, saprophytes obtain their food from dead organic materials. An example of such organism in this class include bacteria and fungi such as mushroom and mud. This mode of nutrition can also be carnivorous in nature. An example is seen in carnivorous plants such as the pitcher plants, bladderwort, and sundew. These plants they grow in environments with little nitrogen, nitrogenous salts, and they make use of insects through their mechanisms, through the modification of their leaves to trap insects, which is later used for the supply of nitrogen. Heterotrophic mode of nutrition can also be mutualistic in nature, and in mutualisms, two organisms live together and both organisms benefit from this association. Example is seen in the case of termites that lives in the protozoal. An example of this is seen in termites and the protozoa that lives in their gut. While the termites provide food and protection for the protozoa that lives in their gut, the protozoa on the other hand help them to digest the food material, which is composed majorly of cellulose. And this brings us to the end of today's series of Learn Biology with Henry. Thank you so much for coming around. Don't forget to follow my Facebook page at Learn Biology with Henry. Don't forget to like the page, and don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel at Learn Biology with Henry for more educative content in biology. And if there's any topic you want me to treat, kindly drop it in the comment section. I'll be waiting to see you there.